Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Yuvan's Tech Tutorial. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can install WhatsApp Business application on your device. So to get started, you need to head into the Play Store or App Store that is available on your device. Once you open, on the top, you will be able to find out the search bar. Tap on that and now you need to type WhatsApp Business. And once you find out, tap on WhatsApp Business app. So here you can see that WhatsApp Business application has already been shown in the results section. Now tap on Install button. Wait until the WhatsApp Business application has been installing. So according to your internet connection, the speed or the time will be taken to download and install on your device. So now your WhatsApp Business application has already been installed. Simply tap on the Open button that is shown on the bottom of the screen. So here you have already downloaded and installed the WhatsApp Business. So to continue, you can simply tap on Agree and Continue and simply use this application. I hope this video was useful. If this video was useful, then hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the notification bell to never miss an upcoming uploads on our channel. Thank you.